Okay, so this is my face after vacation. I'm gonna try to find like a picture of my face before vacation so you'll understand the sun damage that happened here. I was silly and I did not use sunscreen, and I was doing a lot of walking outside, so this happened. So this series of videos will just be me doing my skincare more intensely than I usually do to try to repair my face, and if it works then you'll see this video. If not, then you'll not see this video. I'm sure it'll work anyway. So yeah, this is what I am working with. So let's start. So first of all, cleanser. This is a new one I got in Korea that I'm going to be trying out, so let's go. Alright, I like to begin my skincare videos by reminding everyone I'm not an esthetician. I do not claim to know anything about skincare beyond what works for me. So do not take my words or my actions for fact. These are just things that worked for me. Okay? Alright, now that we're on the same page, let's get back to the video. There were some products that were new to my routine, like this one from The Ordinary, niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. My research showed that it's best to use niacinamide in the morning, even though on this particular bottle it says apply a few drops to the face in the morning and the evening, but I actually stuck to using it only in the mornings. So this was my first day of using niacinamide, which I guess accounted for this blunder, which was me using the Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum, which has propolis and niacinamide in it, which technically I believe is like using the same thing twice. So moving on, I never used the two at the same time. It's either I used this one or the other one. Anyways, this Glow Serum is also not new to me. I've actually used this product before. If you're not new here, you already know how I feel about my Fenty Skin Fat Water Toner. I believe it's the best toner, point blank period. If you want to try this toner out, you can shop it by checking out my storefront at Shop My, which I'm going to put the link right now. So definitely check that out if you want to try one of the best toners on the market, in my opinion. And I think my opinion in this case, you can take it for fact. One thing I did not take for granted this time around when I was trying to repair my skin is sunscreen. Whether I was going out or staying indoors, I was using sunscreen. One thing Jackie Aina taught me was if you can see the sun can see you. That means those UV rays do not play. So use your sunscreen whether you're inside or outside, okay? And not using sunscreen, not following that advice is how we got here. So I was going to be protected this time around. And that was day one, I would say, of me trying to repair my skin. Moving on, I did not film as intensely, neither did I film every day. I just focused on showing the products I used on some days, not showing the full routine. Okay, this is the first time since I made the first video that I'm making like a video. Between now and then, I've just been like, cleansing, making sure I do that right, putting on my skincare as usual. I didn't want to show like the whole process. I don't know if there's like any difference. The lighting is so bad, but this is what I am working with 2 weeks plus in, and now I'm about to do this. So yeah. This is what my face is looking like after the face mask, toner, and moisturizer. I put a bit of the excess thingy from the mask on my neck as well. And yeah, I think I'm recovering. What do you think? Today is 26th September and I'm still on my journey to repair my skin from all the sun damage that happened in South Korea. So this is everything I'm going to be using today. For cleanser, I'm using the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, and then I'm going to have the Fenty Skin Cherry Dove Scrub, and then I'm going to use my Cinnamide this morning, the Ordinary, and then I'm going to try out the more black hydrating tone, and then for moisturizer I'm going to use the Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. And then for my body, I feel like I need pampering today, so I'm going to do the Oledo Mint and Vanilla Sugar Scrub. This scrub is very, very good. And then for lotion, I'm going to use the Fenty Skin Butter Drop, yeah, the Vanilla Dream Whipped Oil Body Cream. So yeah, that's it for today. This will be the night routine today. First time I'm going to try out the Good Molecules. First time I'm going to try out the lip mask, and then I have a Dr. Rochelle night cream and Fenty. I don't know, is it called a night cream? It's almost finished. Okay, so rich in precious argan oil, smooth, even, deep wrinkles, intensity, yada 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 yada. It's almost finished, and honestly I don't even know how to review it because I don't know, but yeah. I added a new sunscreen on the third, and I can tell you right now as I voice this over, best sunscreen I think I've ever used. And if you know my story, you know how much I have tried various different sunscreens. So today is a month since I started doing, like, taking care of my skin intentionally because of sun damage. And honestly, I think like this part of my face is fine, but this side is still, like, you can tell that something happened. So yeah, right now I'm in front of like the ring light. Let me show you what it looks like without ring lights. That's my face without, just like the normal lights in the room. And I don't know, I just finished my skincare, that's why I'm really, but I think there's a little bit of improvement. You be the judge. I'll continue taking care of my skin intensively for the next 1 month and see if this side blends better. But yeah.